see what is in my Walmart beauty box for summer 2026. And my spring box was really good, so I have high hopes. If you did not see that video, I will link it up here for you to check out. And I actually have a whole playlist of Walmart beauty boxes, so if you would like to check those out, I will have that linked as well. But like I said, spring was real good, so I have high hopes for this. And if you are new here, hello, my name's Danielle, and I'm just so glad that you decided to stop by and check out this video. And if you like it, I hope you'll check out some of my other videos and maybe consider subscribing and sticking around. But let's go ahead and just get into this. And ooh, it says, so you open it up here. I do like this bright colored box. Summertime Beauty Edit. Whoop, little sneak peek there. And it will say inside what my products are, so I don't want to look because I like to be surprised. So I like to just reach in and grab things and go from there. So the very first one is Element, a 3-stick variety pack of electrolyte drink mix. And this is 0 sugar hydration, which is awesome because I am a water and coffee drinker and like black coffee for the most part. So when I have something else to drink, it's usually unsweetened iced tea or hot tea. And if I drink other stuff, it's always 0 sugar. So I'm excited that this is 0 sugar. So this has citrus, raspberry, and watermelon, which all sound right up my alley. So I'm not mad at all to get this. Okay, awesome. Starting out strong, starting out strong. Next up, oh man, you guys, I think this is going to be a really, really good one. I'm thrilled. This could be all I got and I'd be thrilled. This is a chapstick 3-pack. Like, are you kidding me? Not just one, they gave you 3. It's got pink lemonade, peaches and cream, and sweet watermelon. I am a lip balm addict. Like, I have to have them always with me. I've got them all over my house. It's ridiculous. Every bag I have has like 4 in it. And so, yeah, this is the I Love Summer collection. And do these ones have SPF? Because I don't see that these ones do, which is interesting to me because a lot of the chapsticks do have a little bit of SPF. I'll have to look into it further, but even if it doesn't, that's fine. But they just wouldn't be ones I wear like while I'm out at amusement parks or something. I always like to make sure that I've got SPF on my lips. If you've never burned your lips, then you should count yourself very lucky. I burned my lips one year. We were tubing down a river on like one of our camping trips, and my lips got burnt so bad that they had little blisters all over them. It was so painful. I had to end up going to the doctor and getting a special like steroid cream for them and everything. It was terrible. And so I am super cautious about making sure that I use an SPF lip balm if I'm going to be out in the sun. So like just a regular daily thing, no big deal. But if we're out at amusement parks or the beach or something like that, I have to make sure I have one. So that's why I'm even questioning about this, but I'm excited about this in any case. Okay. Next we have Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. It says 450-degree heat protection for all hair types. Okay, but it's not just a heat protector. It says on here, detangles, heat protection, help restore dry hair, controls frizz, moisturizes, adds shine, helps prevent split ends, nourishes, creates silkiness, and softens. So that's awesome. I am on a bit of a hair journey to try to wear my hair more natural with its natural wave, and I'm struggling trying to figure out with products and stuff. So I'm willing to try just about anything to help my hair. So if you have naturally wavy hair, if you could give me some tips, I would be ever so grateful because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. But you can probably tell by looking at it right now. All right, next up, we have this. You guys, this box is fantastic. Okay, this is Bounce Back hair bands. So they've got ones 2 for fine hair, 2 for medium hair, and 1 big one for thick hair. This is so awesome. So they're that soft material, so it doesn't, it's not like the elastic that catches your hair and rips it out kind of thing. So it's gentle on your hair. So it says gentle on hair, long lasting, firm hold, no dents or hair breakage, more comfort, less tension. So, oh my gosh, this is such a good box. Okay. What else do we have here? We have, is it Groon's Superfood Greens Gummies? And this is a single serving. And this is for gut health, energy, immunity, recovery, beauty, and cognition. I've never gotten something like this in here before, so very cool. It's whole food, veggies, and fruit, vitamins, minerals, adaptogens, antioxidants, gut health, and more. Okay. And then I think I do still feel, wow, I feel a couple other things in here. Okay, this is La Roche-Posay broad spectrum SPF 50 lightweight lotion sunscreen with SHAPELLX shield, UVB protection and antioxidants, water resistant for 80 minutes. So that is fantastic. I love a little size like this too, to be able to pop in like my bag for when we go to amusement parks. We go to a lot of amusement parks. That's why I keep saying stuff about amusement parks. In fact, it's what's today is June 22nd or something like that, maybe 23rd. And we've already been to 11 different amusement parks this year. Some of them more than once. So yeah, I am always happy to have something like that. Oh my gosh, there's like a few things to lift in here. What is going on? This is crazy. So this is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, Tahitian Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. I don't think I knew that they made shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I am pretty sure I have this lotion. I feel like I might have gotten in my last box. I could be wrong, but I love this too for when we're traveling and staying in hotels and stuff, to be able to take something like this and be able to use. I'm so excited. I think this is the last thing I'm feeling in here. Yeah. Okay. Which, totally understandable. This is L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. And this is 903 Medium Glow. So this is for, it says instantly hydrates and luminizes for an all over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. Lightweight, dermatologist tested for safety. So this sounds like for your body. I'm assuming, or well, no, L'Oreal Paris is probably for your face, right? Well, let's see if my little thing tells me anything else. Yeah. So the box with its little squirmy things here. Wow. Okay. So yes, this is the full size of this is $17.99, and that's 1.35 ounces. It says achieve a natural sun-kissed glow with this viral TikTok favorite, L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. This multi-purpose liquid works as a luminous primer, lightweight full face foundation, highlighter, contour, or bronzing drops. Well, what the heck? It's formulated with shea butter and glycerin to hydrate skin all day. Available in 5 shades, this highlighting glow lotion can be worn on your face or full body for the natural glow of a tinted moisturizer with instant hydration. All right, now we know. The La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Pro Sport Sunscreen SPF 50. The full size is 6.7 ounces and is $32.97. Wow. So this is even a pricey little sample, and I'm glad to have it. Then we've got our Chapstick I Love Summer Collection Lip Balm Variety Pack. This is the full size and it's $3.88. Like, come on, $3.88, that's awesome. And yeah, I'm pretty sure there is an SPF because you can usually see it pretty quickly on there, but that's okay, like I said. And then the Palmer's Tahitian Vanilla Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, 10.6 fluid ounces is what the tubes, like the full-size tubes are, and they are $5.97 each. So, good price there. We've got the Grüns Adult Superfood Greens Gummies. The full size has 12 servings, so this is 1 serving, and I can feel that there's quite a few in there. Probably 4 or so. So the full size is 12 servings and is $19.97. Then we've got our Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Leave-In Detangler. The full size is 6 fluid ounces and is $7.92. And Gimme Beauty Bounce Back Hair Bands. The full size is 12 pieces, and so this one only has 5, but so this is not considered the full size. So the full size has 12 pieces and is $7.90. And I wonder if the full size one, if it's like all for thin hair or all for medium or all for thick. I don't know. That'd be interesting to see, because I don't know if this is just like a variety pack so that you have different ones to try, and like the full size one has just one size. I'm not sure, but in any case, that's what that is. And then this is just an extra, I guess, because there's nothing about it on the pamphlet here, but this is an exceptional box, if you ask me. Like, there's nothing in here that I won't use and I'm not like excited about. Like, are you kidding me? This is a really good one. Like, I was thinking, I'm like, okay, either they really are stepping up this box and it's going to be a ton of good stuff, or my spring box was just really good and this one's going to seem kind of disappointing. And I don't feel that way at all. So I can't wait to watch and see what other people got. If you get this wax, did you get the same as me, or did you get something different? And what do you think of what I got? Like, I feel like this is a really good box. So down in my description box, I always put the link to be able to get the Walmart beauty box. It's not affiliated in any kind of way. It's just the website link. They don't have like affiliate links or anything like that. So, but if you are thinking about getting one for yourself, there, that is down there. They're like, what are they now? With tax and shipping, I think they're still under $10. So, yeah, you can't beat this. Comes quarterly, and I have so much fun getting this, and especially when it's this, you know, filled with this many good things. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Thank you. Bye.